It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my iPhone 13 Pro Max wallet case that I love. I'm going to share a couple reasons. Number one being the color. So if you take a look, it's like a rose gold with a little bit of sheen, and then you have the gold hardware for the buttons and the pop tab. So that's super nice and girly. I love it. I also like the fact that inside this case you're getting great protection. So this is where your iPhone is going to sit with its glass back and stainless steel, totally protected by this fuzzy little home it gets. Another reason I like it is for obvious, the wallet closure. So here, this is super low profile. It's an accordion style, so you can fit credit cards and money inside, no problem. And then of course that button closure at the top makes it nice and secure. This is very strong, you guys, so you don't have to worry about it accidentally coming undone. It's going to stay secure and put. I'm going to go ahead and show you the case on. So very simple to install. You just place your phone inside, pop in the corners, and you're ready to go. It is completely installed, providing protection and letting your wallet be on the go. You can see on the sides, the bumpers do expose the mute button, but cover your volume. Power button is covered as well, and then you have those important charging and speakers totally accessible. You guys, I love this case. I really think you will too. That's my point of view.